What we got now, we got us a '08 Mustang GT California edition. Got a little damage on the right, on the driver's side. This is a GTCS California edition. Need the door and a piece of a quarter panel. 123,000 miles. Or California special, my bad, I thought it was a California edition. It's a California special. Looks pretty good. A little damage on this quarter. This is an automatic car. Two-tone seats, gray and black. This will be our next build. We'll get to work on it. Put a door and a quarter in it. Paint it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.